Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. Can you find the odd numbers, letters and emoji within given time? There are three levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go! Start with the easy level. Hey, quiz expert! Welcome back. The super fast quiz challenge. Nobody can find it within given time. Hey, super start. Easily find. Find the odd colorful burger. Only 10 seconds. Super catch the different colorful burger. Quiz expert, find the odd number 7, only 10 seconds. Hey, come on, quiz expert, challenge your first eyes. Can you complete the easy level? Wow, super fast eyes. Hey, quiz expert, challenge your eyes. Find 5 within given time. Wow, excellent, super eyes. Hey, find the old monkey. Old is gold, come on. Wow, super catch the old monkey. Hey, find the odd smart emoji, only 10 seconds. Come on, quiz expert. Nice catch the different emoji. 90% viewer failed to find O within given time. My question is hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, my regular genius viewer. Hey, my regular viewer, super. Hey, quiz expert, test your math skills. Can you solve this within given time? Come on, quiz lover. Wow, perfect. You are math master. Wow, find the word ice cream cup. Hey, perfect, the different ice cream cup. Test your eagle eyes, find S within given time. Excellent, super fast eyes. Test your observation skills, find 66. Wow, quiz expert completed easy level. Medium level start. Hey, quiz expert, test your eyes, find 328 within given time. Yes, quiz expert, super eyes. Spot the odd watermelon. Super catch the different watermelon. Nobody can find the letter SYT. Come on, quiz expert. Fantastic, letter is find. Hey, quiz expert, test your general knowledge within given time. Wow, perfect! You are a knowledge master. Find the odd one. Come on, quiz master. Wow, super catch the odd number. Hey, only smart guys find 126. Hey, perfect, you are smart guys. Hey, quiz expert, challenge your math skills. Can you solve this? Wow, perfect. The right answer 30. Hey, quiz expert, challenge your brain. Find the repeated two numbers within given time. Wow, perfect. The repeated number is 8. Check your IQ level. Find 590. Super catch. Completed medium level. Start with the hard level. Hey, puzzle master, find 78 within given time. Wow, perfect. You are puzzle master. Come on. Find your fruit. Nice catch, the different fruit. Hey, quiz expert, one letter is different within given time. Come on, quiz expert, challenge your fast eyes. Can you complete the hard level? Perfect, the different letter. One number is different within given time. Nice catch, the different number. Find the odd super ice cream cup. Wow, super catch, super ice cream. Test your brand, find 16. Wow, perfect, super brain. Identify the odd number 2004. Come on, quiz expert. Wow, perfect, 2004. Hey, quiz expert, find the repeated two letters within given time. Wow, perfect. The repeated letter is E. Find the odd number 34. Wow, perfect. The 34. Spot the odd one out. Come on, quiz lover. Wow, that's one. Spot the odd emoji within given time. Wow, nice catch the different emoji. Pick the odd one. Come on, picking master. Hey, perfect. You are picking master. Hey, quiz expert, smart math, can you solve this? Wow, super catch, the right answer. Hey, quiz expert, the final challenge, find double 81. Excellent work, quiz expert completed hard level. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge,